You are sitting with some customers in the conference room and they are asking you to design their latest service. However, they are throwing around concepts like SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. You're wondering what those things are. Today we are going to talk about all of them. Suppose you want to build a piece of software from ground up and you want to run it on your own servers and control the data. Then you will need an IaaS or infrastructure as a service. The most notable IaaS companies include AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Computing Engine, etc. Those companies rent their physical servers to you and you get to choose what kind of operating system should be installed on them. You can install Windows, Debian, Fedora or CentOS. Everything you need to make your application work. Because you control the operating system, you can install anything on the server and make it do multiple things at once. IaaS providers also manage all the hardware for you, including the drive, memory, networking, etc. However, if you don't know how to maintain many cloud servers or don't want to do the housekeeping work, you can just let somebody else take care of the OS maintenance job for you. For example, Heroku is a platform where you can upload application without worrying about OS installation or stability issues. Those platforms are PaaS providers. They do everything IaaS providers do, plus maintain the operating system and program runtime. Finally, SaaS means the final product that an end user can access. It provides a piece of software as a service and users may need to pay for it. Dropbox, Outlook and all other popular online services you know and love could be SaaS. Users don't need to worry about the code, the OS, the server or the network. It just works. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.